Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my new video. So guys, in this video I'm just going to talk about the same app I talked about in the last video. So if you watch there and you joined and you haven't done verification, you're gonna miss a lot because all the coins that you have claimed are not going to be counted. So you have to verify your account, because I've seen many of you are registering but you don't, most of you haven't done verification, that is KYC. It's so simple. It's so simple. Imagine verification doesn't even take 10 minutes after uploading your document for verification. It's the quickest ever. So for the first time when you register, guys, the first thing you're gonna do is to go to here, claim airdrop. Okay, I did even that video, claim airdrop, because this opportunity is limited. It's gonna end soon. So after going to so I have a mystery box here. Okay, I will check on that later, or if I deposit. But I want you to go to airdrop. Okay, click on airdrop. Okay, you every day check on your airdrop. Under airdrop, click on airdrop, then do this. Click on claim. If you click on claim, you're gonna see something like this, like you're gonna like a retweet post. Okay, so if you click on open task, you'll see something like this, where you're supposed to put your Twitter handle plus the screenshot where you like. Okay, so you're gonna upload here. You see, you're gonna upload the screenshot here. If you click on this part, it's gonna take you to your images or pictures. You're gonna upload the screenshot that you took after liking the retweet post. Then you're gonna put your username here and you click on submit. As simple as that. So something important that I wanted you guys to see, it's here. Click on home. Click on home, guys. Go to this part, your profile. Okay, go to your profile. As simple as that. Go to your profile. Yeah, so if you click on your profile, you'll be able to see this. Verify. Mine is verified. Okay, here too, you'll click on this place here. It will show KYC, verify. So if you click on it, it will take you to where you're supposed to put your full names, put the number. If you want to use your passport, use your passport. If you want to use the ID, government ID or driver license, then you're gonna upload the front side of the document and back side of the document. Then you submit. It's so simple. It won't even take like 10 minutes before approval. Then you put your 2FA security. You enable your authenticator. It's so simple. You just get the key, then go to authenticate, Google Authenticator app, then you add it. So that is just to make sure that your account is protected. Okay, so guys, if you haven't done KYC, do it as simple as that. It's so simple. You just need to upload your document, both front and back, and then you click on submit and you provide your real details. Okay, so as simple as that. I don't know why you guys are okay, you are busy claiming the coin. The coin is going live soon, because that is the coin for is the token for the app. Okay, it's the app token. Just like Binance, we have BNB, right? And this Kusiti coin or token is under BNB chain. So guys, it is going live soon. And right now they have pre-sale going on too, as they give up. So you can see, guys. Okay, you can see here. They also live, like, okay, that is airdrop. Then we have this one. I want to share something. I don't know why it's going back there. I want to go to this one. So imagine it just ended yesterday. Even this one is about to end. Once it reached 10 million kusit claimed or bought, then they're gonna add the price. Yesterday it was 0.1. People bought it. So today, check this one. Wow, I missed that one yesterday. I wanted to buy, but then when I checked at night, I got the price already moved to this side. I'm going to try buy it as early as today or tomorrow, so that I can chase, like I can keep some for me, because I know by the time they launched it, which is soon, we will be able to exchange, and this airdrop that you're being given is put under the spot. You can stake it or you can wait. When it is listed, you can see the real price is there, and by the time they launch it, they're gonna the price is gonna go higher than now. Okay, so this is stage 2 pre-sale. Okay, and soon it's gonna end. You can see how far people are rushing with it, and imagine it was just yesterday. I checked it yesterday. The 0.1 price was gone. All was bought. Now they have bought almost 3/4 of it. It's not even a half. Is it half? It's past half. It's half, right? Half of it. So you can see the number sold. To mean we still have some left here. So if you don't want to buy, it's okay. If you want to claim the airdrop, make sure you verify your account. You verify your account. Okay. You can see the answers are here. Okay, so you verify your account so that by the time they list it, you'll be eligible to withdraw. Okay, guys, this is a free opportunity. You don't miss it. You don't miss it, guys. You don't miss it. Like, if you're new on my channel, my name is Cynthia. You are all welcome. Make sure you check the link of the app and the WhatsApp group. Join our WhatsApp group for more information. Join our WhatsApp group for future updates. I'm going to put all the links on the comment section. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you haven't subscribed until this point, I don't know what you're gonna wait for or what you're waiting for. Then you don't want to subscribe. Why not? Subscribe, guys. Subscribe, okay? And I like the video. You only subscribe if you like what you are seeing or the videos I'm giving you guys. But that's also another way of appreciating me, because guys, I'm not being paid to do this, right? So make sure you subscribe, like the video, turn the notification bell on for future videos. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in my next videos.